so
Did you wash it?
I did.
I would love to be your stars, your moon, your sun. I would love to be there.
Start your computations.
Hey guys, good morning. This is Harshila and welcome back to my channel. My hand is like so sore. I'm not able to hold my camera like this because I've been working out, and yesterday I hurt my arm. So I don't know, it's just hurting. Today's video is going to be like a day in my life sort of a vlog, so I really hope you enjoy it. It's just going to be very easy. I'm just going to take you through my day. So far I got up, as you guys saw, I cleaned my room. Now I'm going to start working out, and yeah, also I didn't film it, but I obviously did brush and everything. Yeah, just putting it out there. So yeah, I think I'm going to like change, wear my workout clothes, start working out, and yeah. So it's a little later now. I had a bath and I also had my lunch. I've been doing intermittent fasting. So today I usually try to eat at around 1, but today I was just so hungry. I ate around 12. And while I was eating my lunch, I was listening to an audiobook. And I've been listening to audiobooks for like 2 to 3 months now. And I've been using this app called a Storytel. The book that I've been currently listening to is called Girl Stop Apologizing by Rachel Hollis. I mentioned it even earlier in one of my videos, and it's a really nice book, so you should definitely check it out. And I was so happy when I found that book on this app, and I'm also happy that I'm collaborating with them today. So Storytel is an app wherein you'll find huge collection of books from various categories, so be it fiction, non-fiction, autobiographies, you name it, and you'll probably find it on there. And it's super easy to use, so all that you really have to do is go to Play Store or App Store, download the app, then just select your country and then select your preferred language, which could be Hindi, English, Marathi. I know a lot of my audience is Maharashtrian, so तुम्हाला जर हवा आहे तर तुम्ही पण चेक करा. And I really like how they have like regional books available in regional languages. Audiobooks as a concept only is like so interesting to me, and it's something that we really need in this fast-paced life of ours, I feel, because to be very honest, like one of my resolutions for this year was to read more books. Actually, I had a lot of resolutions for this year, but let's not get there. So yeah, one of my resolutions was to read more books. With the kind of schedule that I have, I honestly don't really have any time left. Audiobooks, according to me, are such a savior. You can pretty much just sit, relax and listen to a book, or you can do whatever you want to do. Like I can pretty much like do my gardening, I can work out. I usually like to listen to an audiobook while I'm working out or while I'm walking. It's extremely calming to me, so you can pretty much do anything. Now when you download the app, you usually get like 14-day free trial. But since you are my subscribers, I have this link for you guys in the description bar below. If you click on it, you'll get 1 month free. I also really like how their subscription fees is like really affordable, which is only 299 rupees per month. Now when I'm saying it's affordable, because you get like unlimited books to listen to, and if you were to actually go out and buy a physical copy, that would cost you so much more. So in my opinion, I think it's very affordable, and that too with like all these amazing regional languages. I think it's totally worth a try, so definitely check it out. Hey guys, so it's a little later now. I actually been wanting to clean my brushes and my makeup sponge, so I was just watching few videos on YouTube to know how to do them. I mean, I do know a few techniques, but I was just seeing if I can do something different. But to be very honest, like all the other techniques that I watched, I either need like Dettol or like I was actually watching Mansi's video where she mentioned that she used Dettol soap, and I don't have that, so I think I'm just going to stick to what I do, which is basically just using the dishwash soap with some olive oil. So I think I'm going to just do that. Okay, you're in my kitchen right now, and we anyway needed lukewarm water, but since it's like really hot outside, the water from my tap is already lukewarm. And then yeah, I'm just doing it in here. Just put it Now I think I'm just going to sit down and do my makeup because Samarth is going to be here and I'm really excited because we are actually planning to go and get few plants as well for the house. Since he's going to be here any which ways, I'm going to make him click my Instagram pictures. So I think I'm just going to start doing that. Oh, but my brushes, oh my god, let's see what I can do. Yeah, I forgot completely. So listening to my audiobook while I do my makeup. I put on makeup and this is the outfit that I'm wearing, and obviously shorts, and I'm going to start filming now. And oh my god, it's just so hot right now, like I don't know what it is, but yeah, I think that it has pads and it's pretty good quality. So yeah, this is how it looks. I really like it. However, it is very deep, but they okay, I'll show you. It's very difficult to explain, but you'll understand in the try on clip. So I just got done filming and I just received my Ajio order as well. Like I just got done filming my Lulu and Sky haul thing, like I think one footwear that I ordered. So I'm hoping that it should be here so that I film this in this week and that also I can get it up for you guys. But yeah, I'm really excited. I think now I'm just going to go and eat an apple because I'm really hungry. Guys, look who's here. So do you want to say hi? Saad? No. Come in the frame, no. You want to say come here?
No.
So Samad's here and I'm going to take his help and click few Instagram pictures. That's what I do. That's what I make him do. Do you like it?
No.
He likes it. So I cleaned my room. So far it looks like this. Samarth is right here, so whatever. And this is just my Ajio order, and this is how I got my Ajio order. So I just wore this top which I got today, and now I'm just going to go and get few plants. Actually, I'm not too sure what exactly do I want, but I really want my money plant where it was. I really don't like my mirror that khali, so I'm gonna go and get that. And I also really wanted to get my Erica palm and my snake plant. So let's see. I also really want to get the spider one. It's called the spider plant, right? I'm not too sure. So yeah, I'll see what I want to get. And I have never really bought any plants here. Like I usually get it at my place and then I'll bring it over here, but since the lockdown and everything, so Samad's here, so I'm just quickly going to go with him and get plants. Thank you. I don't know if you can hear me, but oh my god, the plants are like so freaking expensive. Like I did not think that it would be so expensive. I don't know if it's the lockdown or what, but oh my god, like money plant used to usually cost like 100 rupees. Right now I'm paying like 150 rupees. I also got like spider plant, which is for again 150 rupees. I actually paid 160 because she charged me for the soil as well. So yeah. This is a little dirty, but I can't help it. I don't know where do I want to. I actually really want to put it right there, but since I can't, I think I want it up, right up there. But I think I'm gonna take care of this. Someone's being an amazing camera man right now. So I think I'm gonna put it for some time, like just in my gallery. I'm trying to propagate these ones. So I've like just put it right there. I also saw this new leaf coming up, so I hope that this propagates. Also, we have another propagation which I didn't see earlier, but I'm really happy that even this is growing. My rubber plant is still dead. Also this I think is so crazy because it just like rejuvenated itself and like it grew, and I'm really happy. It's my baby. And I had this one. I don't know what is it called in English. This is Ganesh Wheel. Basically you get like these flowers, and everything was like literally dead, but I don't know what happened, and this also grew on its own. So I'm really excited, and I don't know how am I looking right now. Am I looking really stupid?
Yes.
Yeah? Was I looking stupid all this while? Also shout out to my brother. My brother is so sweet. He comes with me everywhere and helps me. It's so
Did you
sweet.
wash your hands?
I did. Oh my god, this COVID. So that was it for today's vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know that I did not do much, but I tried my level best, because to be very honest, I know a lot of you guys always ask me for vlogs, but to be very honest, I don't understand what to vlog, because everyone's days are like just, I don't know, everyone's like just surviving. Nothing happening is happening. So I don't know, but I still tried since I went and bought plants, and that was exciting for me. I don't know, I hope that it was exciting for you as well. So yeah, I hope that you like this video. If you do, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I will definitely see you next time. Bye. Also, right now the sky looks amazing. Like, I'm going to leave you guys at that.